everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. I'm going to basically do some sort of activity which is related to English language because there is some sort of decision which I made in my early 20s that I just want to speak fluently in this YouTube channel, and just there's some sort of goal of myself that I just want to gain some sort of audience in this YouTube platform so that I can motivate people whoever want to speak in English language, because nowadays that is most speaking language in terms of all over the professions, and it is very important to have that particular language in your hand. You can basically master any kind of role in some particular platform. If you don't know about the language, so it is very difficult to communicate with other people. So that's why I just chosen to speak this language, and most of the time I found that lots of beginner will face is they are hesitate to speak in front of camera. So I just tried uploading the video on this platform, and continuously uploading the video I just found out like I just removed my hesitations which I face in my early days, and it is just some sort of practice which is required. Then I am basically able to speak and without hesitation. Previously I believe in myself, because of that I am able to speak in front of camera. Otherwise it is very difficult, and always I was basically thinking about like what other people say. There are a lot of butterflies in my stomach. So these are all the things which happens in the initial days, but once you master it, you are like basically going to speak, and that is the fear in your mind. That is what you want to remove that, and for that you need to practice. And so yeah, I've done that, and there are multiple people also want to do that. They just watch my previous videos over there. I just uploaded multiple videos on this YouTube platform, and you can understand like you do have a belief, so you can achieve whatever in whatever you want in your lives. That is the simple and easiest task. First you need to prepare your mind, then after jump to your plans which wherever you want to achieve. As simple as that. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you like this video, and you can understand like sometimes it is difficult, like there are a lot of tasks which is pending, and multiple times you will get you don't want to do it, but at the end you need to realize that why you have started and why you are uploading the basically why you have chosen the plan. So on this note, that is it. Bye bye, have a good day.